Since the release of Threads, a friend of mine has managed to make over £3,000 by simply posting pictures created in Canva on Threads. Guys, Threads is an untapped traffic source that you can utilize to make ridiculous money. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to do so. Now, I've gone ahead and tested this method myself. And while I haven't managed to make over £3,000, I've managed to make over $750 within the past few days. And in this video, I'm going to show you 1, how to sign up for the affiliate program of Fiverr. 2, how to use ChatGPT to come up with those ideas. 3, how to use Canva to come up with some easy designs that you can post on Threads to make ridiculous money. It might require some work, but I can assure you, if you put in the work, this could lead to you quitting your 9-to-5 job in a few months. Now, I would like to ask you a small favor, guys, before we get started. Go ahead, subscribe to the channel to see much more videos coming out every week like this one. And if by the end of this video you find some value, go ahead, give this video a like and let us know in the comments below. I would really appreciate the support. Now, let's get into the tutorial. So guys, as you can see, I'm at fiverr.com here, right? And what you want to do is scroll down at the bottom of the page under community and you will see affiliates. You want to click that. Now guys, as you can see, we're on the commission page here for Fiverr, right? And there's so many ways you can make. There's so many ways you can make money, right? But the one that we want to focus on today is the Fiverr CPA, dynamic CPA, which basically says that for first time purchases, you can make anywhere between $15 to $150. So this is depending on the niche or depending on the type of service that someone will buy. Then you will be able to make that money, right? And what you want to do, you can go ahead and you can see multiple different ways how you can earn, and you can always utilize all of these options, right? And what you want to do now to register for the affiliate program, all you have to do now to register for the affiliate program, just go ahead and click start earning now, and you will sign up for the affiliate program of Fiverr. Now guys, once you finish sign up for the affiliate program, you want to start come up with those ideas what you can promote on the Instagram Threads app, right? And what I've done, I've targeted the small niche of engagements, right? So because Instagram Threads app is brand new, people are gonna want to know how they can boost their engagement, how they can become popular on this new app, right? And that's why I've targeted this niche. And this niche is how to increase or boost your engagement. So what I've done in Fiverr here, I've searched for increased engagement and I've found a lot of services, a lot of people offering their services on how you can boost engagement. And my advice here, just go ahead and search. You'll find a lot of them. Then you can go ahead and sort it by bestsellers. And what you will see, a lot of people who have the highest rating, which means that they offer good services. Then you can always play around with budgets. You can always play around with the type of service or platform that you want to specialize in. And you can go in depth into categories and so on. But what I'm going to do at this moment is just leave it generally. Now, what you want to do, guys, is you want to target some of these people, right? You can go through the list and find some of them that has the best reviews, offer the best service. Find something that is really engaging that you could target. And you want to message these people. Now you're going to ask, Andrew, okay, so what do I message to these people? So you want to write something like this. Hello, and you want to address them by their name, right? Hope all is well with you. I'm Andrew, a Fiverr affiliate service promoter. First, I want to congratulate you on the great service you are delivering to customers on Fiverr. This is very admirable. I would like to do the honor to promote your service to my audience on Instagram new Threads app. And my service is free. You want to make sure that you tell them that this is free. Then you want to also mention, all I ask is for you to provide a world-class service to the customers that I refer to you. Also, it would be great if we could agree on a discount for those customers with a referral code, and you give an example of the referral code. Looking forward to hear from you. Thank you. Guys, you want to create a message like this. If you create something like this, I'm sure you'll receive a couple of them that will reply to you and say, yeah, they're up for it, right? And then you can take it from there. You can continue with the communication and you can get the go ahead from them to start promoting their service. And once you get accepted in the affiliate program of Fiverr, then you can start using your links to promote the service. Now I'm going to show you how you can utilize ChatGPT to come up with an idea. Now, as you know, our niche is engagement, right? And I've asked ChatGPT to give me a list of 5 ways how we can boost social media accounts. It gave me 5 ways. I also asked ChatGPT how to increase engagement on social media, and it also give me 5 ways. And you can utilize these pointers from ChatGPT to create something really nice in Canva. The reason why you want to do something like this and not just put like a one picture, because you also want to give value. And what I've done, I've gone ahead and I've used the Canva to create a design. Now, I want to show you it. I've used this design. It's just a simple design that gives you a few pointers in Canva. But if you also look, you can find a lot more templates within Canva that you can choose from. But I've used that specific design to add some information there to it. Now, I have used the custom design that I've get from Fiverr, and I've filled in the information there of the points that I got from ChatGPT. Now, if you're a more creative designer than I am, you can make something more fancy. You can play around with the colors, the design, the pictures, and so forth. So you can go ahead and do so. But look what I've done in the end. I've created an extra page in the end. So after they get the value, they will see something like this. Get 40% off any Boost social media package. And I have a little information here that says, boost your social media account today. Gain rapid engagement within hours. So this is like letting them know, hey, you can get 40% off. You can boost your account, your social media account, and see rapid engagement within hours. And here I've added like some stars there that to show that, yeah, it's 5-star quality or 5-star service, Fiverr icon. And I said, use this code. Yeah, use code. So they see the code that they will basically use to get the discount. And you want to agree on this code with the seller, and you want to promote this code. So once somebody reach out to the seller within Fiverr, they will basically share this code, and the seller will know, okay, this is coming from this person, right? This is coming from that person. So once they use this code, then the person will know, okay, I should provide a world-class service and give these people a 40% discount. Now, I've said 40% discount, but you can agree with the seller how much discount they want to offer, or how much they want to offer their service for. Now, if they can say, okay, I can do it by percentage base, or they can do it by just a standard price base. So they can give you a certain amount. They can say, okay, I will offer the service for $15. I can offer the service for $20. The original price might be $100. So you have to agree on what kind of way you want to market this kind of service, but you want to provide some value. You want to always provide value so that they can read through, and whosoever is interested in learning how to boost their Instagram or boost their whatever social media account engagement, they will take the time out and they will scroll through, and they will also find this in the end, and you'll most likely get people taking action on this. Now, once you're finished with this, you simply need to download all of these pictures, and you want to head over to Instagram new Threads app, guys. You want to head over to the Threads app, and if you don't have the Threads app, simple go to your Play Store or your App Store and download Instagram Threads, or just simply type for Threads app or Instagram Threads app. Once you install the Threads app, it will ask you to log in with your Instagram account because they're connected, and all you need to do is just make the post on Instagram with these pictures along with your affiliate link for that specific service, for that specific page. And whenever people would go to this service and click, you will make between $15 to $150. Now guys, I can assure you, just like myself, I've managed to make over $750 trying this in the last few days. A friend of mine has made over £3,000 utilizing this method. And I can assure you guys, if you do this for a month, the possibilities are endless to the amount of money that you can make. Why? Because Instagram new Threads app, this app is an untapped traffic source right now that you can utilize to make ridiculous amount of money. Now, I really hope that you found some value within this video, and if you do, go ahead, give this video a thumbs up and let us know in the comments below. And if you have not yet subscribed, once again, go ahead, subscribe to the channel to show some support to see much more videos coming out every week like this one. See you next time.